Today we will be talking about how to derive exponential function e, which would be e to the power of x. Now we'll always need to use the power rule. It says f of x is x power n, and being any natural number, its derivative will be n x n minus 1. Let us start by stating the rule. The rule says f of x is e power u. The derivative of it will be u prime e to the u, where u prime is the derivative of the power of e. Now, as you realize, the power of e never changes, which means no matter how many derivatives you do for e, the power of it will never change, hence e will never disappear. So, let's start with this example right here. F of x is e power x. F prime of x will be derivative of x, which is 1, e power x. So no matter how many times we derive ex, it will always be e power x. What if we had f of x is e to the negative x? Now u is negative x, but the derivative of it is negative 1. So f prime of x will be u prime e to the u, which means negative 1 e to the negative x, which means the final answer will be negative e to the negative x. What if we had something like e to x plus 1? We look at the power. The power is 2x plus 1. We derive it. The derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. Now we use the formula u prime e to the u. So we'll have u prime e to the u. Let's do one more difficult example, not so difficult. E power x4 plus x2. We just follow the rules. U is the power of e, which is x4 plus x2. U prime is the derivative of them, so it will become 4x cubed plus 2x. And now we just apply the rule. U prime e to the u.